how you can turn on screen distance on your iPhone. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can on screen distance on your iPhone. So for those that are having eye issue, or even if you are not having eye issue, this is a very important update. So just go ahead and open your settings. When you open your settings, I want you to go ahead and click on where it says screen time. So when you click on screen time, guys, I want you to click on where it says screen distance. So just go ahead and toggle this on, guys. So when you toggle this on, whenever your phone is close to your eyes, I will show you an example. Whenever your phone is closer to your eyes, iPhone is going to automatically detect it and warn you for being closer. So as you can see, guys, it's showing me iPhone maybe too close. Keeping your iPhone at your arm length can protect your eyesight. So you have to shift back your phone for you to continue using your phone. So as you can see, guys, when I'm done shifting, it's already verified the distance of my eyes with my phone, and it's going to allow me to continue using my phone. This is really important, guys. I will advise everyone to turn on this because it's going to save your eyes. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one. Peace.